Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll look at an issue that impacts every one of us. Finances. Managing money is difficult, and many of us make mistakes along the way. So, let's look at the 5 most common money blunders to avoid if you want to achieve financial stability and success. 1. Living beyond your means. Living beyond one's means is one of the most common financial problems. This frequently occurs when we compare ourselves to others or feel pressured to live a certain lifestyle. Remember, it is critical to stay within your financial means. Track your income and expenses to develop a realistic budget. Make sure your spending is consistent with your priorities and goals. If you find yourself routinely using credit cards or loans to cover bills, it may be time to reconsider your spending patterns. 2. Ignoring emergency savings. Another typical mistake is failing to establish an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses can occur at any time, whether they are medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Experts recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small, but make it a priority. Having a financial cushion can help you avoid going into debt when an emergency strikes. 3. Failure to plan for retirement. Many people skip retirement planning because they believe they have plenty of time to save. The sooner you begin saving for retirement, the better off you will be thanks to compound interest. Contribute to retirement accounts such as 401k, and IRAs, and take advantage of any employer match. Even tiny contributions can accumulate over time. It is critical to have a strategy in place so that you can enjoy your golden years without financial concerns. 4. Not educating yourself about finances. Financial knowledge is essential for making educated decisions. However, many people overlook this part of their lives. Understanding basic financial principles such as budgeting, investing, and debt management will help you make better decisions. Spend time reading books, watching videos, and attending personal financial workshops. The more you understand, the better prepared you will be to navigate your financial journey. 5. Make emotional decisions. Finally, refrain from making emotional financial judgments. Emotions can impair your judgment, whether you're buying the latest technology on impulse or panic selling investments amid a market collapse. Make a plan and stick to it even when things get rough. If you're about to make a hasty financial choice, take a step back and reconsider. Consulting with a trusted advisor or friend might help you get clarity and perspective. To summarize, avoiding these 5 common money mistakes: living over your means, ignoring emergency funds, failing to plan for retirement, not educating yourself about finances, and making emotional decisions can dramatically improve your financial health. Remember that managing your money is a journey, not a destination. Stay informed, make wise decisions, and you'll be on your road to financial success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for future financial advice. Let us work together to attain our financial goals.